Using Ledger or TREZOR or any other hardware wallet that requires a seed phrase, be careful out there. And you need to switch to Bitkey, Bitkey instead. Here's why. Okay, earlier today, someone posted on Twitter, a relatively famous person, that they just lost 6 Bitcoin worth more than $400,000 in a scam related to a fake app on the Apple App Store. So apparently a scammer was able to get an app approved by Apple for the App Store that looked like the Ledger app that goes to Ledger hardware wallets. Well, of course, when you open up the app, it asks you for your Ledger 12-word or 24-word seed phrase. And this person, of course, dutifully entered their 12 or 24-word seed phrase, and poof, all their Bitcoin was gone. Because it turned out, rather than being an app by the company Ledger, it was a fake scammer app posted to the App Store. Now, the way TREZOR works, T-R-E-Z-O-R, the way TREZOR works, the way Ledger works, the way Cold Card works, and numerous other hardware wallets, is they depend on a seed phrase, which is either 12 words or 24 words that is essentially a word-encoded passcode to your Bitcoin. The problem is whoever has those 12 or 24 words controls your Bitcoin, and they can take it, they can steal it, they can move it, they can spend it. Bitkey, B-I-T-K-E-Y, bitkey.world is the website. Bitkey bypasses that threat vector entirely by never exposing the seed phrase to the user. It's literally impossible to get a Bitkey seed phrase out of a Bitkey. The Bitkey is held in the encrypted app on your phone, and you can't get it out. It's held in the Bitkey hardware device that you have to touch to the back of your phone if you want to move large amounts of Bitcoin, and it cannot be extracted from that hardware device. And the third key is stored on their servers, also encrypted, and it requires more than one of those 3 keys in order to move Bitcoin. So there's literally no seed phrase. There's no 12 words or 24 words that you can accidentally plug into a website, that you can click a link in an email saying that Ledger's been compromised and you need to secure your wallet and type in your seed phrase here. You literally can't fall for any of those scams because those scams all depend on you needing to do something or having something that Bitkey never gives you. So the entire architecture of Bitkey was intended to prevent the ability for these scams to work. So it doesn't matter if you click on the wrong email attachment. It doesn't matter if you navigate to the wrong website. It doesn't matter if you download a malicious app on the App Store. None of those things give you access to your Bitcoin if you're using Bitkey. Because again, Bitkey, even if they got a malicious app on there, first of all, it's not going to have the key in it. So, it's worthless to an attacker. Second, even if somehow they were able to use malicious software to get the private key from the mobile app, that's only one of 3 keys, and you need at least 2 to move the Bitcoin. You can't get the key off the hardware device, and their servers are all locked down, as only Block, the company behind it, can do. They are a very secure company. They have a payments infrastructure. They run Cash App. They run Square. They run a bunch of stuff. It's a Fortune 500 company. So anyway, every time I see somebody get hacked, which is regularly with Ledger or TREZOR, I'm like, people, please, please, please. That was an amazing technology before Bitkey made it obsolete. Bitkey made the use of a seed phrase obsolete. It needs to be obsolete because hackers and scammers, if you ask a hacker or scammer what is the number one thing they want from you, it is the seed phrase to your Bitcoin. Now, in the case of Coinbase and River and online services like that, they don't give you the seed phrase. But your Bitcoin is protected by a username and password. The problem there is that anyone who has your username and password can move your Bitcoin using the seed phrase that Coinbase or River does control. So having your Bitcoin protected by a username and password is not any better than having it protected by a seed phrase. In fact, it's worse because it's a lot easier for an attacker generally to get access to your username and password and 2-factor authentication codes. There's a lot more ways for them to get access to those than there is a seed phrase. So yes, a seed phrase is more secure than a username and password, but it is not as secure as Bitkey. Bitkey is the most secure way to keep your Bitcoin out of the hands of hackers and scammers, which is exactly what it's designed to do. So if you're currently using a Ledger or a TREZOR, please at least move some of your Bitcoin over to Bitkey. Bitkey is just absolutely, positively, all around way better. It is not subject to the numerous attack vectors that Ledger and TREZOR users fall victim to on a regular basis. And it's just a better technology, a better architecture, a safer and more secure way to store your Bitcoin. So highly recommend Bitkey, Bitkey.world is the website, bitkey.world. I'll paste the website address in the first comment of this post. Again, please buy yourself a Bitkey. Secure your Bitcoin with Bitkey. It is by far the best way to keep your Bitcoin out of the hands of hackers and scammers and to eliminate the threat vector of a seed phrase entirely.